So we are assembling 5100. It's the bottom one, 382 centimeters. It's wave 80mm. So we go to our chart, 80mm wave, 382. So the nearest one is 392, which is 26 for a pair stack. But we take away 2 on each side from the 26, so it will be 24 wave gliders on each side. Step 2, you've got the track. You see the lip is at the front, so when you assemble it, the lips, it will be left, right, and when we feed the belt through, we feed the belt through the back of the track. Part 3, when you feed the belt through the track, you come to the end and you feed the belt around the non-motor side end set. Then you connect the connectors to the belt. Then you feed the belt back through the profile down to the other side again. So once you've fed the belt back through the track with the connector, you connect the 3D printed part, and then put it back in the track, and you can see exactly where you need to cut the belt. So then once you've cut the belt and you've took off the 3D printed part, you attach the master carrier. Make sure you attach it the right way. Attach it, and then you slide it onto the track like so. So once you've cut the belt and you've attached the master carrier on the other side, come back to this side and you need to mark the belt. You make 2 markings at 11 and 13 centimeters. You can see the markings there. So after you've made the markings on the belt, you just pull the belt round to the back of the track with our 2 markings. And we attach the belt connectors into the markings. Like so. And then we will attach 2 of the master carriers, join them together like so, attach them to the belt connectors, feed the belt, the connectors and the carriers onto the track. Like so. So once you've put the carriers on the track, you attach the non-motor side end set. Then we'll come back down to this side of the track. You can see the carrier we put on earlier. Then we feed the belt round the motor side. Like so. Then we will attach the belt connector, and put on the second part of the master carrier, insert into the track, push on the end set, and done. So once you put the end set on and the carriers connected, we put the gliders on, the 24 gliders, and the last one we have to smash off with a screwdriver like this, and then we hit the screwdriver and it pops off. Quick demonstration. So screwdriver in, see the little plastic bit, and that's done. So after we smashed off the last glider, we attached it to this and then we screw it down secure, so it's secured to the motor side. Then we have to attach this on the master carrier, like so, and that is the right hand side completed. So I said it, this right side was completed. I forgot one thing. We attach the clip here and we screw 2 screws here to secure the overlap to the carriers. So we push the stack back. Right side complete. So the right side is completed, we come to the left side, repeat the same process. We put the 24 gliders on, we attach the overlap arm and the locking plate and the screws so we secure the overlap, and then we attach the non-motor side overlap arm on here, and we connect the glider into the slot, and this side's complete. Stack it back. The last thing is we grab 3 of the overlap hangers. One goes here, one goes here, and one goes here. And that is 5100 complete.